I gotta go to the gym.
Today? Me, I'm not going anywhere. Too bad. You want?
I need to go out with my husband like that. We don't go for a long time.
Really? You always go with your kids?
We don't go out to eat that much. Me and my husband, we need to organize. We're not organized to have otherwise we're supposed to have a good money. We pay $500 a rent. Good, you need to have time for you know? You need to have time for you.
What you mean?
You need to go somewhere with, like without your son or your husband.
I don't know, but who gonna babysit him? You?
Gene, if you don't work weekend.
No. Oh, you're gonna go, me and you? Oh yeah, I don't mind. I think you said me and Jean.
Or if you have a Gene's, if you have a friend, Haitian, we can go.
Yeah. I will tell Leslie. Where?
Men don't like. You can go to Marina Bay.
I'm okay with that.
Men, they feel like if you dress up really nice to go out, woo, they go crazy. The other day we went to Marina Bay. My husband went to his cousin's house. He have a pool, so he brings the kids.
That's
So
nice.
my friend called me. I tell him I'm going out. He said, okay. I'm Marina Bay. Excuse me. I was missing so much. I said, Mama, my mom is home. Bring the kids and come see me.
Oh, that's so nice.
He went. My friend husband went. He was having fun there.
They don't eat?
Only drink.
Of course, they men. They only like to drink.
Daddy said, be careful. You guys come here too.
I tell you no more. We're not gonna come here no more. No? We're gonna come, but not like that. We are settled today.
I know.
Me anyway, when I go home, I don't even eat. I'm good for tomorrow. You know my bed is
You
full.
know, today, Lena was putting, one lady, she ordered sausage